Welcome to our channel, your trusted guide for honest and in-depth product reviews. Here, we test and analyze the latest gadgets, tools, and everyday essentials to help you make informed decisions. Expect clear insights, pros and cons, and expert opinions tailored to your needs. Subscribe now and join us on the journey to smarter shopping. Best 3D printers on the market. Number 1. Creality Leveling. Designed for efficiency and precision, this high-speed 3D printer delivers exceptional performance with a remarkable maximum speed of 600 mm per second and an acceleration of 20,000 mm², 12 times faster than standard FDM printers. Whether you're a professional or a beginner, this printer ensures rapid and reliable results. With an expansive 300 by 300 by 300 mm build volume, it accommodates large-scale projects and allows multiple models to be printed simultaneously, maximizing productivity. The print volume to printer size ratio reaches an industry-leading 25.5%, offering unmatched efficiency in its class. Advanced smart features, including a 1 micrometer resolution LiDAR scanner, ensure flawless first-layer adhesion by detecting issues and pausing prints when necessary. An AI camera provides real-time monitoring, detects printing errors like spaghetti failure or foreign objects, and enables time-lapse creation for easy sharing. Precision is further enhanced by strain sensors in the heat bed, generating an accurate leveling mesh for auto-compensation. The printer is equipped with a 32 mm cubed less high-flow system, featuring a ceramic heater, dual-gear direct drive extruder, and titanium alloy heat break, supporting temperatures up to 300. Dual cooling fans solidify prints instantly, preventing stringing and warping. Enjoy 24/7 customer support and a 1-year limited warranty for peace of mind. Number 2. FLASHFORGE Detachable. Unlock greater creative potential with a high-performance 3D printer designed for speed and efficiency. With a maximum travel speed of 600 mm per second and acceleration up to 20,000 mm², projects come to life faster than ever. The nozzle heats up to 200 degrees Celsius within just 35 seconds, reducing downtime and maximizing productivity. Speed doesn't mean sacrificing quality. A sturdy core XY structure and all-metal frame ensure stability during high-speed operation, delivering precise, intricate prints. Multiple nozzle options, 0.25 mm, 0.4 mm, 0.6 mm, and 0.8 mm allow users to balance detail and efficiency, achieving outstanding results for a variety of applications. Smart automation simplifies the printing experience. Advanced pressure sensing enables automatic bed leveling, detecting platform height with precision for flawless first layers, no manual adjustments, Z-axis calibration, or print rafts required. The dual-sided PEI platform ensures easy, tool-free model removal. A user-friendly interface, mobile app integration, and features like remote monitoring, auto shutdown, and filament detection enhance workflow efficiency. Supporting a wide range of materials, including PLA, ABS, PETG, ASA, TPU, and more, the high-temperature, full-metal direct extruder ensures versatility and reliability. From rapid prototypes to durable components, this 3D printer empowers creators with precision, convenience, and endless possibilities. Number 3. FLASHFORGE Extruder. Experience the future of 3D printing with advanced one-click automatic printing, ensuring perfect bed leveling without manual adjustments. Achieve consistent adhesion and flawless first layers effortlessly, eliminating frustration and saving valuable time. Designed for speed and precision, this cutting-edge printer features a core XY structure, enabling ultra-fast travel speeds of 600 mm per second and an acceleration of 20,000 mm². A lightweight yet stable frame enhances efficiency, reduces production cycles, and maintains high-quality output, perfect for rapid prototyping and mass production. Built for convenience, this machine offers rapid nozzle changes in just 3 seconds and a high-flow 32 mm cubed DES nozzle for stable, high-speed printing. With a quick 35-second heat up to 200 degrees Celsius, a dual-sided PEI platform for easy model removal, and multiple platform options, it delivers a seamless and intelligent printing experience. Dual fan nozzles, vibration compensation, and multiple nozzle sizes, 0.25 mm, 0.4 mm, 0.6 mm, 0.8 mm ensure exceptional adaptability, while a 280 degrees Celsius direct extruder supports various filament types for superior results. Stay connected with real-time mobile app monitoring, allowing remote control of print progress, parameter adjustments, and instant notifications. Intelligent features ensure a smooth, uninterrupted workflow, empowering creators with efficiency, precision, and reliability. Number 4. Anycubic light source. Achieve exceptional precision with an advanced 10K resolution printing system, delivering a remarkable 105% increase in accuracy compared to previous models. With an impressive 9024 by 5120 resolution and ultrafine 17 by 17 micrometers pixel size on the X and Y axis, every print captures intricate details and dynamic textures with stunning clarity. Equipped with a powerful light source, the innovative matrix lighting technology ensures uniform, stable illumination, minimizing layer lines and rasterization. This results in ultra-smooth surfaces and maximum print detail, perfect for high-quality models. The generous build volume of 153.4 mm x 87 mm x 165 mm offers ample space for both daily projects and complex, high-demand tasks. A redesigned laser-engraved print platform enhances adhesion, reducing the risk of lifting and warping while maintaining a hassle-free removal process. The user-friendly 4-point leveling system is ideal for beginners. Once leveled and secured, there's no need for repeated adjustments. Additionally, the power loss recovery function resumes printing after an outage, reducing material waste and saving time. Designed for efficiency and ease of use, this high-resolution 3D printer delivers outstanding results with precision, reliability, and smooth operation, making it a perfect tool for creative professionals and hobbyists alike. Number 5. Achieve superior stability and precision with a robust triangular structure, reinforced with inclined rods to minimize errors caused by resonance. This sturdy design ensures durability, making it ideal for home DIY projects, educational settings, and professional applications. With a maximum build size of 300 by 300 by 400 mm, this 3D printer offers ample space for larger, more ambitious creations while maintaining compatibility with various printing materials to suit diverse project needs. Designed for efficiency, it delivers an impressive 180 mm per second printing speed, surpassing industry standards. Advanced X and Y axis automatic calibration technology reduces vibrations, achieving remarkable 0.1 mm precision for high-quality prints. An upgraded 32-bit mainboard enhances print stability, while smart sensors detect filament depletion or power interruptions, pausing and resuming print seamlessly to prevent material waste and project disruptions. Enhanced print quality is ensured with a silicon carbide lattice glass platform, providing uniform heating and strong adhesion to prevent warping. A Teflon tube allows smooth filament extrusion, while upgraded dual fans facilitate rapid cooling for superior print results. The ultra-quiet TMC2209 driver ensures noise-free operation, while open-source firmware enables customization and advanced G-code modifications. Pre-assembled at 90% for quick setup, this 3D printer is beginner-friendly and backed by 24-hour professional customer support, making it an excellent choice for both hobbyists and experts. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.